Are you fed up of seeing the awful graphics on Football Manager Mobile? And the logos, especially in the Premiership, the player faces, everything's just off. They don't even have the right names. It just says Man United. I'm going to show you today how to make it look like this. Manchester United, the proper badge. As I click onto the team here, you can see that Luke Shaw faces. We can go through some of the faces. All the faces are on there. We can have a look at Arsenal and other teams. All the faces, all the logos. Man, it looks beautiful. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in a step-by-step guide. And it is actually really easy. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to download this app. I'll zoom into it here. As soon as you type in the initials of that app into the Android App Store, it will pop up. Now, this, I must say, is for the Android. I don't know if it works for Apple because I don't know how you get into their back-end stuff. This is just for Android. In fact, I don't even know if Apple, I think they have touch, don't they? I think Apple, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I think Apple have touch anyway. But yeah, this is just for Android. And firstly, let me know in the comments if you like this video, if it helped, and give me a thumbs up if it did in the comment, and also consider subscribing. It really does help the channel because I do try to do as many of these videos as possible where they're tutorials and they're helping people out. Now, back to the tutorial. Here we go. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go into the Z Archiver. And here you'll see a list of all your things. You want to go down to download because that's where you've downloaded your face packs. Again, the first thing I'm going to say is there's many sites. I don't want to promote any of them, but there is many sites where you can get faces, logo packs. I'm just going to show you where to put them. Now, if you scroll all the way down, you'll see logo packs. This is the first one we're going to do. I've got three. I've got logo packs, skins, and player faces. Click the extract ... Then it says select a destination folder. So you scroll up and you're going to have to make your folders. So you go back and you go onto Android. In Android, you click on Data. You'll see, because I put the thumbprint on, so it shows you exactly where to click. On here, you want to look for your folder of Football Manager. It is a bit tricky to find, but there it is. Netflix Football Manager Mobile. Click to open that. Once you've opened that, you will be met with this screen. Whoop. In here, you want to click the plus sign at the top right, new folder, and create a folder called Graphics, which you can see I've got there. And once you've gone into your Graphics folder, you want to create another one called Logos. Now, in the Logos folder, you want to click inside your Logos folder, and that is obviously where you will extract your logos. And Player Faces, which is the one I'm going to show you now, I've already done the logos, just to show you that it worked. I'm going to now do the Player Faces. So this is now like a live video to show you exactly how it works. So when we go back into our game, I'll then show you how to refresh the cache and get all the things in. So you've got all your logos in that Logos folder there. You now want to extract your player faces, which is this button at the bottom right. And you click to extract, and in they go. Now all the player faces are going into this folder in the graphics. So you've got your logos and your player faces in the graphics folder. Once they have been extracted, we'll go back into our game and I'll show you how to get them all on. Because you might go on and say, Goose, it ain't working. I've just been in and it ain't working. But what you want to do is keep your finger on the app like that, go down to storage and clear cache. Now that's deleted all the original cache from the game. This is your player faces and your logos. You simply click in settings, click view, click user interface, and then right at the bottom you'll see download player pictures and reload skin. Click reload skin, that's how you get your logos. But first, I want to get my player pictures. I need to restart the game after clicking download player pictures. It will then say, when you load up, Do you want to download player pictures again? Yes, because now you're picking the pictures to download from your folder, not from the original Sega ones, which were the awful pictures. And now, when you've gone back in, you will get this. Enjoy. I mean, that makes the game so much better. You've got all the badges. There will be a few missing, I ain't gonna lie. I think West Ham's not on there, but this is just the pack I've got. Some packs are different. Obviously, get the pack that works for you. But I just like how this one looks, because when you look at the player faces, I mean, I think it looks absolutely great. Looking at Luke Shaw again there, it just looks great. Black background. It looks fantastic for a mobile game. You've got the proper official badge. And what makes it even better, when you look at the league table, you even get, I mean, look at Mason Mount. Wow, Casemiro. And when you look at the league table, it just looks better because they've got proper squad names. Let's look at Gabriel Jesus. Yeah, loads better. Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. I hope this worked for you. It did for me. Let's play some Football Manager.